Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how I make my sweet chili chicken pasta. If you do try out this recipe, let me know how it goes, and yeah, remember to like, comment and share. So the first thing that I'm doing is to add some oil and some salt to a boiling pot of water, and then I'm going to add my pasta in. So I just let this cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. You don't want it to get too soggy or too soft. And I'm just going to put this to one side. This is my washed chicken breast and I'm just seasoning it. The list of seasonings are on the screen as well as in the description box. So if you need that, please just check that out. And there are no measurements. It's really just adding a little bit of everything and moving with it. So in the pan, I've just added a little amount of oil, and I forgot to record, so sorry, but it's very little amount of oil, as you can see just in the corner. And you have to do this on a very low heat and then cover the pot, and this lets like condensation, happen and whatnot. This allows your chicken to kind of like cook. As you can see, I'm just checking on my chicken at like intervals every 10 minutes to make sure that it's not burning, to make sure that it's actually cooking. I like my chicken to be well cooked, and I'm sure you do as well. So after doing it for about 25 minutes, it's now like brown. I like my chicken to be a bit golden brown, almost like burnt. That's how I like my chicken. It's very nice as well. I've just added some onions. As you can see, there's still like a there's barely like oil in the pan. It's very little amount of oil. You don't need a lot of oil for this recipe because you'll be adding sweet chili. So if you add a lot of oil, you will not enjoy the recipe. So I'm adding my mixed pepper, and it's literally just a blended mix of red bell pepper and Scotch bonnets. And then I'm adding Maggi. I added two Maggi cubes to this, and then I'm just going to mix it and then let it fry like side by side, and then I'm going to mix it together. I don't have a particular reason for doing this, so it's up to you. You can take out the chicken, let the stew fry, and then put the chicken back in, but I don't see the point in doing that. And then I'm just adding all-purpose seasoning, and Lagos chili pepper is back on my channel. You guys, you haven't seen her in a while, and I know it's her. You haven't seen her in a while, but she's back, baby. And you only need a little amount of Lagos chili pepper if that's what you're using, because it's very spicy. So after about 5 minutes, I'm adding my sweet chili, and it's upside down. It was upside down because I was trying to get the most out of it. After adding the pasta into the sauce, I will be cooking entirely on low heat. Although you should have been cooking from the start on low heat, but if you've been using medium heat, at this point, it's time to pull it down. Thank you. Put it down to low heat, very low heat. All you need is for the pasta to literally just cook in the sauce and just absorb all of that goodness. So I cooked it for about 10 to 15 minutes in the sauce, and this was the result, guys. This thing was too good, too sweet. 100/100. If you do try out this recipe, please, if you try out this recipe, please let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment, share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.